Obekasemi, I was very quiet when he was talking.
So, no,
I'm not very quiet.
Mami Chow, now Mincha, your able producer, senior Ben, the senior most. Now Mincha, Abusa Funi, now Mincha, the hard working Ashanti regional minister, Dr. Frank Amokwemi.
Right, let's listen to you. Now, Bayan Chianchas are now time.
Now, the component time. So the baby is
you, Matty.
So the baby
what time was when a man come? Let's continue.
And Channel Senior, Mamma Chairman, Chairman Augustus Santos.
You quickly on it, Yanko.
Unim. Mamma free national service because I'm free national service. Mamma free on
is it
and because of the baby I'm intino, I would try to say melim kwasema making BIs. So I say inti me try say me limiting some nika kra no me din komo na ni kakra mo wate. Ye ba national service. And e be hu say nipa dodo na omude koma aban tua kasa o national service for.
Yeah.
Enya no krep. Omo bobi agum bebre. Inti yama auditors ebe audit and you verify mom because easy so verify mom your service say wow your service be a call district we call them call verification you verify wa so we nipa e be so we nipa so we nipa say be so we nipa so it was not a difficult task say person who say why na your service na why na you
okay
the year we no and e be who say list a national service system so about 180,000 no emu 80,000 there omu ye nipa so mu ni ho akoko tin komo ni you they exist by name but in reality unhu omu and the started says say se pese hu say no kra say nipa no ye nyu omu film si etua ye akatua ye ntua mo omu a omu tuma ba verify ye hu so omu ne nko a se etua mo omu a se sa 80,000 ni nipa omu so le abati en san kin sticker anambwa if you no we have stick to that figure now. Yeditua na obia meka say nsan kan sika da. And so the reality now crash now say no crack. It was ghost names. They been common ni edi. Brand and PPT akunya so. Omo ye national service and anado.
Right.
Me national service way back 2015. 26 27 fini etuaka. But omo na na kwa kufu ado time omo ye national service no ofro mbusa omo a bu ha 4 months na etua baako 5 months na etua baako se obi diskana kosi awowa tio sika no ono de akoye collateral akwaji loan 30 million and what are diskana so asaya investment enti se 3 months bia na bia beto no sa de etua 30 million sika no oje ye no
a allegation or a suspicion.
Senior.
It was a suspect.
Sir, according to
so you can refer Attorney General statement, but
no. That is what it is. You see, I say a chairman among 40 as I understand.
Yes,
you are trying to do the legal issues according to Attorney General, which I believe
was in the investigation on my no. So
far, answer me, say, no, I element cause maybe I'm meeting which I believe in everything he said over there.
You believe in that?
Now, UG one say, then I did before no. Obi kwa G ya, obi kwa T. Answer now kasi yenye investigations about it. Say, escano omuti afa henya. Unim, your genuine people are. Omode enema appliances near the eba national service for no.
Omode beche hom.
There be say I had to say high purchase nti the mawa.
Nti muji anu mutu
na mutu na kanga kra. Me bi da.
I see.
So, say oka say utu escana true ghost names. So what they did was that they created an artificial company. And omode items you go hono no omode share o say we waje anema wa ha say busumi bia ye beti ni saying since scan ba the money is directed straight to them through that vendor no minim say make no o ti ase a ya wo bi a wo ho a so the phone bre ebia insurance FM worker busumi bia ni ate no per agreement ebia 100 cedis 200 cedis 400 cedis depending on item na wo je no and no market fake vendor and nyama so supply and they didn't feed into the system they scan that bomb ho eti obi na makura bia say ye national service ye na koto no no akọ han dan te ho 4 months na ma obi ni sika na koye collateral
Right.
That was how I'm de Ghana for. I know come on aba. Ye do you MPP ni kwa na wote a. Na no MPP ni but e be dey na enko opposition. Ya buy every month bia na etua. Ntu de busa won say bia na asesa. NDC buy ya. Ya tua national service. Ya no omo ka 1 month. Me na me I speak for national service. We don't owe them 1 month.
National service.
Ya buy na arrears aka mu be 4 months no. Yeah, President Muhammad Aroma, you release 208 million Ghana cedis. Clear all the arrears. Ana akufa do aja to nyina. 4 months. Oba no omo no de akam 4 months, 5 months. Etua ni nyina. Ene benya flat face. E free ho every month bia na aba. Every month bia na aba. This month krana a delay kakran. It was because on the last month no Saturday service.
Right.
Bebe kwa ho no omu nim say so omu verification say no omu sika na aba. Until last month they make payment to realize that bebe ho no ma they didn't even do their verification. Because ho ma anya on time. So this month we need to do it double. Okay. I see a verify who say the person is the last one next time can answer about one verifying in them. So I need delay for best just 4 days because the timeline is by 8th of every month we should pay. Yetia. And today na see buy video buy ya busumi bia no atua national service. Now buy to so na every 4 5 months no atua baako. So obia who the difference no clear. Now say you didn't come on say MPP for no minim I don't know say come aye di emfa di level ho hwe.
But don't say
no ya ne say me ba
because of no 11 don't say political parties in about issues like this where we talk about normal shame ghost names and change system just to favor and get something out of it or something na say it will be so it's me blame but on record 2014 National Service where NDC had issues with ghost names, which the country main Kaikrana about 7.9 million deep-rooted power.
Let's not now walk in 2014 year na eti akonya so. And ya audit. And ya hu se nkophobia dis kana ya interdite wo mu nyina. Enti no yes enti no e never say na okay so the MPP time omu timi yan e omu yan kan say yan na ba ya no 2014 we were in power and e kwaye audit our national service and you realize this nipa bi atena ho no mako na ida ghost names yes sake 63 staff 63
say prosecute omu jiska no
naka omu refine ye omu they have to go to jail go and check the records that was under NDC yeah record no Obi tena ho no mo 8 years wancho bia anka hwe this a new government ban say na this is about are you comparing those two regimes? Don't do that again mami come deal living so edebe nkomo na aba MPP before yi unim na mimbremu on bebele because nkomo ne sharks here no even yan ka say communicators kwa na bebele krante ade na se e kire yan sa na ye to e wo asa chiche bi mu ansa na omo te ase yes, in a short time, just 2 minutes. Oh, because they needed to brief them before say you should need about thing. Even more briefing, they were not part into so I can hear some of them now to know say they don't understand what the issues were.
They did include members of parliament.
And to him, issue nene say nyabutere. Issue nene say ya be fa diesel.
Right.
Akoto abako 17 Ghana cedis. Na kwa sakrebus, but the young fan around figure 17 Ghana cedis. Ena nyame adom Ghana for attire cha support ye ba yi enhye ye cut down governance ene ne ma bebree yakopon so ya adom international price of crude no na e ba form kakra aboaye ene yetima tete ade no so from average of 17 Ghana cedis per liter no e dey ba 13 Ghana cedis per liter as at the time I tete case kaso no na 1 liter 13 cedis 45 pesos diesel so the now the time no e calculate a not just a 1 gallon be out the 17 cedis in a year, na 77 Ghana cedis 1 gallon.
But it's clear by December 2024, na diesel at 15.9 something, which will run at 16. You understand? And then you have petrol around.
My main our figures.
14, which is,
whichever figures you pay. Opa Viking 16.
No. I'm just.
Remember.
17 is something that is
yes,
which is wrong.
Yes, but remember. Say if I figure 16 now. Figure 16. We are talking about 71 Ghana cedis.
Right.
We are talking about 71 Ghana cedis.
Right.
Okay. And then 12 and pay. 12.99. running on 13 cities. Oh, kasa about 58 Ghana cities. Senior. Tawa kasa na mtihao. Yeah, kasa about 58 Ghana cities. Say 71 ni free, 58 in him. No difference in everything. Now you driver near. So you do 5 gallons.
14 cities.
14 cities.
13 cities, sorry.
So you driver near. Now we 5 gallons a day. Multiply 13, by 5, never say skasena every so.
65.
65. So within the week, 7 days make you week, Driver need multiply 65 Ghana cedis by 7. Now where the difference between Nana Drakwa Kufuado ne Alajima Omyamamu and John Hamamu. I know na my best side driver for say difference here abamu yi de. Yesterday mun yi yusu kakra man. And I know mo kwa agreement so mun yusu 15%. A bar say implementation, Yeah, nyina ni tua, baby mu comply 15%. Baby wo me, baby anam te no mo 5 cedis, so mo 45%, 4 cedis 50%. To mo 50% spend the fees. Upon all that, ye nyina ya tia say na team. And ye ba be the next pricing window. And ye hu say, see calculate ade na, e be say aba from biem by 1 cedi, 10 you from 12 cedis 99 no. E be say aba by 11 cedis 99. See you say 1 cedi ni free so a unti me kan cha da for some tickets ka so bi omonte so because we kwampo na omonte so no adane to kwa meboa na no kai ma cheche cars bebere omonte so omonte so. So what government did intelligently was that say 1 cedi na e ba be dropping no instead say e be drop 1 cedi no government should absorb that 1 cedi as a levy never go solve your doom so challenge can be before na nkasa abrogu ho. So tama ya announce to parliament no be kan ya say the introduction of the D levy will not affect pump price, and as at now it has not affected pump price.
But one thing I hear the concern of Ghanaians is that now you are talking about say enkebeba 10 cedis and so 1 cedi no mama ejina 11 cedi no yentum enkosro it is our 1 cedi no market price na say 10 cedi no is our 1 cedi as the levy mo absorb it yenye sa. Now people concern they say fuel oil semno world price come e dey ko ban say world price kosro dollar ni cedi no asemba na kosra would we still see the fuel at 11.99? That's the concern.
That is why government is not static. At any time you can do review.
No, but that's assurance you are giving.
And I'm telling you, say, question now, it's a very intelligent observation. Sure. But I'm telling you that government is not static. Government at any point in time can do review. But to see a advantage, say this is how I did an economy. E kana ya brogu na e pending with your doomson. Let's do something about it. Enti ye 1 cedi free so ayan santi 12 cedis 99 pesos so.
Yes, e beka o.
And to the in any case kra no. See the 1 cedi kra to so it is so better than every before the night but 20 na do na you I said nke te ka say every before no mu ye de no. Okay yati. Yes I dey cost 17 Ghana cedis. Say no mo pay. Enti anyway, they have no locals to talk. MPP for no. Second for crana. Sebi. Omuni engage ya. Ya tu omase. But MPP need to say MPP communicate to MPP chairman there. What are the 17 cities? Obi about 13 cities. Ababeji kom. And ya the 10 year maso aduane aye dia bi bia kwafom. Na se nipa so the 1 cedi kura ka ho dia kotua ya dum so ka wa buragu ha. Who are no awutu se mabeka bi. Wo. So they have no moral right. MPP have no moral right to talk about D levy.
Right.
Again.
You're
quite necessary. Oh, some 15 minutes. Hey, they said one at a time. You're quite necessary.
3 minutes.
You see, issue Nhyira said. Issue Nhyira said. Say, Nurses cost striker. Obi enua. I am a moon you. Government and I say every labor union be an opportunity to say or bargaining for what is good for them. The nurses are requested for BBA, it is in order. Right. But the way and manner you go about it, and the amount for raising suspicions.
All right.
And come on, I Mushasi and the MPP. And come on, Bain and not Omudi, Brand MPP Takonasono. And why the sudden change? Go and listen to Mamena Oyomo President. The tapes and the MPP when he was talk about no didn't come over negotiation the way he was talking. Oh, you see, we met government is giving us assurance, government is preparing itself, we know the budget will cover it. Sweet words.
But
all of a sudden, Abai Sisaya, go and listen to her.
No, but it's
interviews.
It's
and the way it is clear that the woman is doing politics with the institution now with the anymore, and that is so good. You see,
my word is clear. I want to say something. It's clear that the conditions of service negotiation ended last year, May 2024, and then it's clear that the previous government agreed to start the implementation in July 2024, which there was a suit at court. MPD, I don't know which.
Court case. Court case.
I think the lawyer know the enemy.
Oh, senior.
Psychiatry. Right.
They don't.
So
a scheme to flee their government that they were favorite about. The leadership was favorite about. I'm telling you.
Whilst people were saying the lawyer know the enemy Ukraino,
on the but if you sit down, now that clearly, abiding to mean to you see a obi the court to there to prevent abiding from implementing. Yes, I do a mattress orchestration. You see, say, oh, demand the idea. That's why I started by saying, say, Opia or your Juma Bia, say, oh, Juma for Nakatiasen. But the way a manner you go about this, I say, Aban Biaba, Abano, and Abaya support it. So let's make the government unpopular. When you take that position, you will see some resistance from government.
Let me ask you this question. Psychiatric nurses group normally assembly court. They were the people are no more supporting entire candor say a Juma because you say. So are you saying say they were the one that almost prevented MPP entry? Because when they call court my MPP entry, I know. By now almost no any entire candle a year Juma come. It are they the same people who went to prevent the implementation. Question
payment na MPP entry. And yes, na abandon na or like na opposite Tiano and na prevent how cause when the government itself couldn't find it in their budget. We're talking about 2 billion Ghana cedis.
I'm coming.
A scheme to ensure say government need say obey implement it. What else? I don't know.
You will come GRNMA. Ena yewo psychiatry nurse pa painful no na omo ko prevent aban dada no se mani ntua no ye pa painful that time na lawyer vomewo na di omanim now omo ko prevent se man MPP ntua GRN before no de no omo yire senka ye ntua oma de nya de emam from 1st July you see if you are saying say GRN before no mum na prevent sa omo ampene se aban fo dada ntua na aban fo no omo be yire it sounds different.
I'm saying that the whole misunderstanding between the two associations emanated from their political interest, unless you don't want to accept it.
Political interest in what manner?
Until the mami you person in Mokafu I am time friend
analogy here by
Ghana registered nurses mammy. Person in Mokafu I am time friend obi ni mabofo no and then you am wedding just no to MPP no MPP adwuma.
How is she?
Do you need in Mokafu as I know what many MPP no MPP adwuma?
Trade unions
you are holding the whole country to wrath because of political gain. You see, these are people we should look them in face and tell them say what you are doing is evil.
No, listen. Trade unions have the right to strike.
Now Omuria na MPP communicators once I better ha and Uncle Fu and Uncle one Uncle you got strike.
Oh, this is unfair.
I ain't for the church.
Massa, there are many the posture of the woman. You see, anybody say action speaks louder than voice. Mammy no posture and near my way. Mr. Wun here ni Mukafu ni Ayantan France and almost say or MPP for you man.
But let's take
and we will not miss West.
Let's take the issue one by one. They said they have met.
Just next for Ukuru MPP because the chairman in Ghana more.
No. But a lot of
you see sometimes maybe and I know lady BV do Ghana mission. Ne uncle. Ako hospital no asthma patients. Na nurse is gina we ba na papa itu no anyanti no ahwe na wu.
Kwame
all because ukunu party lose to power and NDC Ghana more and conform hospitals. You see, let's
I was asking a simple question, say, out of the over 100,000 nurses are almost striking on because GRNMA membership near over 100,000. Now over 100,000 nurses almost striking on. MPP.
Leadership. Mutia say general manager 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 release the bar on say you might disagree with it, but the leadership decision. I never said, okay, say, for ya no muti yesa de omusiti. Do you think they will go and vote to say ye ja adwuma enkofomu? But me na tell you no. Ni kunu ya PP constituency chairman and the party akọ opposition. And he thinks that obetwa you should nurse for no dey am and this are unpopular. And we will stay here by face.
All right.
Say the oya now odi nkofo my life. Among for life, among for wuwu, enkofo life. Among for nkwa no dey power am MPP no. The MPP will never come to power. So odi nkofo life no dey to online.
Why are we making this thing political? Because trade unions have the right to strike. And no matter whoever leads, the law should be the law. If they have the right to do that.
Enuti na mesha ase no. Me catch you say, kohwe say the no si di ni nkomo bra na di kunu party wo power no. Maame na ye kana asem ni kunu yan people constituency chairman and we will continue to go in politics.
So
and to correct time na ne party ni kunu party wo power.
Are you saying somebody cannot marry
yes asem eni adanse yen nyina asante yo yes asem eni adanse no ye twa bi didi adanse maame no ni kunu yan people constituency chairman bra na ndisi wa ban mu no sa komo we ba yan MPP time no say na no okasa. Was she friendly to the government? Go and listen to her tapes. Nebusa said, "Dear Nasa, I feel the aban we buy ya. The position answer onim. Or the case like we are not play muku abuchi."
No, but it's clear they went for.
You see, answer Bibi Abekabia. Mubanya anu ye idea. Bibi Abekabia. Mubanya anu ye idea. And to know him say conference or one or declare strike. Now him so declare strike now. Government to engage her and or to akwata abuchi.
But there were leadership around. Not only leadership.
You see, Adebu how we are.
Parliamentary select committee. No,
you see, the issue is that we have a country to rule and we have a country.
No, I'm asking you a question.
We have a country to govern.
But parliamentary committee.
We have a country to govern. And Ghana no ukwa brochire ko chinchini a obesa aba Ghana. So obi ya ade bi e bon man hyeman. Now you think say it is my government by a popular na political party a. Usu nwa ba yare akọ hospital. O ma me ba yare akọ hospital. Kona nurses fan hwenu no owu a. Obo how evil this act is.
But Atuah, before you end on that no. There were some leadership of the association in Ghana here. Because Omumkoshia parliamentary committee no mukromo da so abrochi omnyamai.
So is it factual say
omuntimi engage leadership in a certain way
you are educating your listeners kratana omo de sign so omo call strike no one sign.
It's the president of the association.
Yeah. And no crash I was saying we no otukwa kwatena abrochi.
From their sources, they went for conference.
Oh, I'm for you.
And before we get us the video, the woman was. And the assembly na makawa
meba assembly na makawa ha enye fatua. Maame na was say krata say na phone contract am for ngu.
Because we dwane akotena.
Oh, enti time na adenti na time oba betu kwan e no odiclare strike. Enti continue come e declare strike no. Was this so agent? Meba. Was this so agent say? Time oba betu kwan no e no declare strike no na wo wi a ade cha watena blame akwa kotena brochire. E kana ka ma me no ntimi ntwan kwa brochire ne ma. You see, e yenko for life. Ye nyina ye life. Wonim say tia sesi e. So muni bi sesi ya yado go hospital. Na yado ko duru na sama mi bi ni kunu party lose power ntu wa eye.
Gabi, mami nte yo.
Me fanya I think say